Hi, I'm Summer Spence. I'm a cosmetologist. I'm here at the Wedding Cottage, Hawaii, and I'm going to show you how to use a crimper. To use a crimper, use hairspray, a comb, and your crimper iron. There's two looks you can get from a crimper. You can get a really frizzy, fuzzy look, or you can get a very crisp and defined look. So if you want a very fuzzy look, then don't use any hairspray at all. Take the crimper and hold it for a few seconds. And lining up the next crimp with the last line from the crimp that you just did. And then work your way all the way down to the ends of the hair. So this will look a little bit fuzzy, give you kind of a 1970s feel. If you want a nice crisp and defined look, then smooth that out with a comb and then use a hairspray, or a spray gel would work too. And then take the crimper and hold it down. And you might see some steam from the product. And hold it just a little bit longer. So as you can see, the two different looks, where this one is much more defined and this one has a little bit more of a frizzy, fuzzy feel. I'm Summer Spence, and I just showed you two ways to use a crimper.